Hello and welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to create and manage named ranges. I will be running you through two different examples and then I'll be showing you how you can edit those named ranges and also delete them if you want to. Okay, let's get started. So the first example I'm going to show you is on the left, and we're just going to be using one small 10 rows of data. So firstly, where is the named ranges function? Where can it be found in the file? So if you go to the Formulas tab, there's a section in the ribbon called Defined Names, and this is where you can manage your named ranges, create them, edit them, and delete them. So in the first example, we're just going to use a named range, and we're going to create numbers, but we're not actually going to highlight it. We're just going to go 1 to 10, and we're going to go to our Defined Name section in the Formulas tab, click on Define Name, and it automatically calls it numbers because it detects that it's got a header above those rows. And so if we press OK, we can see here that the numbers, if you click out of it and if you go to our left here, top left corner, we have this box, a drop down box where we can see that we have numbers selected here. Now this top left box is really useful for knowing if your named range has actually worked and been created, because the name of the named range will appear here. Okay, so if we select that, it automatically selects these rows. Notice we didn't have to go like this all the way down. It just automatically did the whole selection for us. And that's what's really powerful and useful about named ranges. Here we've only got 10 rows, but imagine if we had 100,000 or 120,000 and more rows. Just make a really quick selection and you can sum it and average it and do all sorts. Okay, onwards to the second example. So unlike the first example where we just had one column, here we have a table. We have a table with headers going at the top and headers on the left. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create named ranges both for year 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and also for these metrics, so sales, cost of sales, gross profit, loan repayment, and net profit. So we're going to create quite a few here. And rather than doing define name each time, you can actually use a function called create from selection. So if we just select the whole table and press create from selection, and if we basically tick the boxes where the headers are. So top row, yes, we've got headers. Left column, yes, we've got headers. Bottom row, nope, we haven't got anything there. Right column, we haven't got anything there either. So if we click just the top row and left column, and then press OK, if we click out of it, if we click our drop down, we see here that we've got all of these metrics here. All of these new named ranges have been created. Cool. So now what if I wanted to add on another year? Let's say year 6. Let's add year 6 equals, let's just do it very quickly, that value times by 1.5. Did pretty well this year. Okay. Right. So if we go into our, so now we've got to edit essentially not these year ones, but these metric ones. So let's go to Name Manager, and this is the place where you can edit and delete your named ranges. You can also create new ones using Edit Name Manager as well. So you could go through and just go through each one, editing it and adding the column O and this value here. But I think it's much easier if you just highlight the named ranges where this applies to. So get rid of the, so if you do this, this, and then this, and then highlight each one, you can hold down, if you click on one and then hold down Shift and then press to the next set, press to 4 or 5 down, it will highlight everything in between. And then you could also hold down Control and select each one's individually. And then you can just delete that. It's just so much quicker than going through each one and changing it manually. If you click close, and then if you just go through including year 6 in your new selection and redo create from selection and press OK, then it'll just create them all really quickly, really easily. So much quicker. Time management. And then here we are, we've added year 6 to our named ranges. So if we go to our drop down on the top left, we've added year 6. Cool. And that is all I'm going to show you today. Please do check out my other Excel tutorials. I also do lots of Python tutorials on this channel. And please do like, share, and share it to someone who you feel may benefit from this tutorial. And please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.